Hi, I'm Chris.
Hi, I'm Eric.
Hi, I'm Jeff.
Hi, my name's Jake.
My name's Jay.
Hi, my name is Joe.
Hi, my name's John.
Hi, I'm Leo.
Jake and I have been competing for quite some time. He's never beaten me at anything, and I don't think today's the day.
The propaganda machine of Joe ends today.
Daddy has you, baby.
Daddy has you, baby.
What's sloppy?
I've been practicing the fine art of traditional swaddling for years. John hasn't done this in at least 16 years.
I'm not quite sure what to expect, but I have a feeling that Jay's been up to something.
Baby has you, Daddy. Or Daddy has you, baby.
As a father of two, I should have an advantage over Leo. But knowing how poor I was at swaddling when they were babies,
I did no research on this. I hope I do well.
ready.
Ready as ever. Oh my god.
Daddy has your baby.
Oh, what?
I think Jeff has more recent experience. I'm more of a quality swaddler than a quick swaddler.
I may have more recent experience, but I have concerns that Chris has a volume of experience.
Daddy has your baby.
Daddy has your baby.
Well, looks like I'm up against Joe now. Joe made quick work of Jake. I wasn't really surprised by that.
Jay's right. Jake was chump change, but kind of knew that from the start. The thing is, Jay and John have been out of the game for quite a while. I'm right in the thick of it. Daddy has you, baby.
Daddy had you, baby. Dang.
This is tough, man. I'm nervous.
Chris has so much experience. Like I would never put money on me against Chris for this. Daddy has your baby.
Daddy has your baby. Good job, Eric.
Gotta say, I was kind of hoping to get Chris here. Figured I'd take him down, make chump change, just like Jay and Jake. Eric makes me a little more nervous. Got my work cut out for me, but I'm ready.
I mean, Joe's at the beach. He's a master tactician. I got my work cut out for me, but I'm gonna give it a go.
Daddy has you, baby.
Daddy has your baby. You know, it was a lot of fun. Reminded me a little bit of swaddling the real babies. And, congratulations to Joe. I couldn't have lost to a better man.
I gotta say, I feel a little guilty taking Eric down. Didn't have the same pleasure as when I got Jay and Jake. That said, I'm well prepped for baby number 3 that's on the way. As you try this Guess That Swaddling Champion, I'd like to thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out all our baby items at BBC and BBC.com.
Okay, so Joe might have won, But at what cost? I know that my baby feels warm, comforted, and loved. And when I said, baby, daddy's got you, my baby felt that and knew that. And I'm not sure that Joe can say the same. So take your tainted victory and move on. Happy Father's Day.